Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Google account and device where your YouTube history existed. This matters because history is account scoped. Sign into that account and enable Chrome or YouTube Sync so entries can reappear. Once done, open YouTube on the original device and pause any activity that might overwrite or clear logs. Make sure to disable auto-delete in YouTube settings if active, because auto-deletion permanently removes older items and blocks recovery. You now focus on YouTube and Google activity panels. Go to YouTube history, then cross-check my activity in your Google account. This is how YouTube stores watch and search data and why my activity is useful for recovery. If history was auto-deleted, inspect the account's trash or activity filters. Some items remain up to 30 days. Once located, restore or re-enable history recording and make sure filters aren't hiding specific items by date, device, or product. Otherwise, items won't show. Finish by verifying history appears across your devices. Sign in, sync, and refresh YouTube and Google My Activity. If entries remain missing, use Google Takeout to export your activity. It can reveal archived records not visible in the UI. If that fails, troubleshoot. Confirm you didn't use incognito or a different account, check auto-delete rules, and review device-level cleanup apps. If needed, repeat export steps or re-enable history, and give the service 24-48 hours to re-index.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.